The Carriage. Read from the Creepypasta Wiki. If you are walking on the left side of the street in the evening, just before the sun sets, a horse-drawn carriage with no driver may pull up. A man wearing white will be inside, and he will open the door and offer you a ride. You won't think it's weird. After all, you know him, don't you? You'll get into the carriage and close the door. The carriage will start moving again, and you'll still have your free will. The man you know will be sitting next to someone else. It may be a man or a woman, but it will always be the most beautiful person you have ever seen. They always wear white clothes that shimmer pink or blue when they move, like mother of pearl. You must ask how long it will take to reach your destination. The man you know will answer, "Not long." But do not fall silent. You must ask the person you don't know. Keep asking until they answer. When they do, the carriage will stop, and the person you don't know will bid you goodbye and get off. They will mention seeing you again. The carriage will then start to move again, and the sun will set in front of it. When it does, the carriage will slow down. Look out the window if you like. You will see a house with its roof showing above ground. The rest is beneath the dirt. It's your house now, but I don't think you'll be seeing much of it. The carriage will speed up again, and eventually it will stop. The man you know will get out, and you will follow him. The person you don't know will be there, and both they and the man you know will walk along the road for a while. You will follow them through a village until you reach a fork in the road. The man you know will stand on the right path, and the person you don't know on the left. You can explore the village as long as you like, but when you come back to the fork in the road, they will be waiting. They will hold out their hands, the man you know and the person you don't know. Choose. Take their hand. I can only give you these few hints. You know this man in white, of course. You've known him all your life, since the day you were born. You are mortal, after all. This other mysterious person, I know them. We go far back, farther than anyone cares to remember. However, if you don't ask how long your journey will be, the carriage won't stop. The sun will set, and you can see your house, but the person you don't know will stay, and you will ride forever, sitting with death and immortality.